Hey guys, and welcome back to the Yo Be One channel. This is your girl Yo, and I am here with a wig review. Last year, I think it was last year, this company, I think it was Wig Types, they had a special on wigs that were like $4, and I'm like, $4, you really can't beat that. Whether I like them, love them, hate them, I figure, hey, let's just try them out. So this is one of the wigs that I got. This is a new Manhattan style wig. It's a human hair mix. This is what the information card look like. The style is called Rich 5. The color is OM8 2725. It's like a medium brown at the top, and then it has I guess you would call them lowlights because they're underneath, something that I probably definitely would not wear on top, but they shine through underneath, especially if you like lift it up. This hair only has adjustable straps in it. There are no combs in this wig. It is a full wig, as you can see. This is the length of it. This is where it hits me at, and this is what the back looks like. I don't know if it needs to be combed out or what, but this is what it looks like. I mean, I guess for $4 you can't expect a whole lot, but for $4, I'm rather pleased with what I did get. I got a few more of these $4 wigs that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, but this is one that I wanted to share with you. It's quick, it's easy. I haven't experienced any shedding with this wig as of yet. It hasn't tangled a bunch as of yet. It has a really nice yucky type of texture to the hair, and I'll give you a close-up. But it does have that, and as you can see, it has that kind of crinkly look. It doesn't, not too much, but it does kind of have that that texture type of situation going on with it. I like the bangs on it. I like the way that they fall. I like the length of the bangs in this unit. Guys, if you have any questions about this unit or any of the details that I gave about this unit, if I can find it, I'll try to link a purchasing site if you would like to purchase. I don't know if it'll be $4 because that was a special, but I will find it online so that you guys can see if you would like to purchase it. This has been a wig review by Yo Be One, and I'm out.